Imagine waking up and knowing that your income doesn't depend on your alarm clock. I run a small business from home, but the income is extremely unpredictable. I need to look at retiring soon. However, my pension fund is not sufficient to retire. I need to find a way where I'm able to earn an extra income online. I started looking on the internet and I came across a beginner's online business where I earn dollars. I work only 2 hours a day and I make 100% profit. For years, my life was ruled by routine, deadlines, early mornings, and worrying about whether my pension fund was going to be sufficient for me to retire. When I started my online business and discovered a way to earn my own online income, everything changed. I realized that freedom wasn't about working harder, it was about working smarter. Now I earn an income online at my own pace. No alarm clock, no boss. Just peace of mind and purpose again. If you're ready to take back your future and your mornings, start today. Freedom doesn't wait, but it is closer than what you think. So if you are interested in more information, comment freedom and I will send you all the information you require.